Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we are going to take a look at connecting your Google account to AgencyZoom. Now, if you go through the article, it's going to sound very complicated, but I promise you it is not. So, first thing we're going to do is from AgencyZoom, I'm going to hover over my name. I'm going to come up here to email settings, and it's going to take me to my email account here. So you can see that I have not verified my G Suite account. I have not connected my email address. So what I'm going to do is click this Verify app. It's going to give me this very long code. I'm going to copy that. Now, I'm going to go to admin.google.com. It's probably going to make you log in, which is perfectly fine. It's going to take you to this page right here. On the left-hand side, you're going to click on security. If you don't see security, then there's a show more button. Click on that and you'll see it. So click on security, and then we're going to go to under this access and data control, and we're going to go to API controls. So I'm going to click on that guy. Now from here, you've got app access control, this little top box. You're going to click on this manage third-party app access. In this middle screen here, we've got configured apps. We're going to click on add app, and we're going to do the first section here, OAuth app name or client ID. That client ID is what you copied from AgencyZoom. So I'm going to paste that guy in there, search, boom, there's AgencyZoom, select, go ahead and click on that, select, and just keep continuing all the way through. It is a trusted source, which means that you can log into Google via AgencyZoom. Nothing else you need to do here. Just go ahead and click on finish. Boom, now you're done. Now, when I go back over into AgencyZoom, I can click on connect. It's going to ask me to log in to my Gmail account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Click on my tech marketer email. I'm going to click in continue. Ignore the fact that it says nihilus.com. Nihilus is an email provider similar to like Twilio is for text messaging. So that's what Nihilus does. I will get into why that's a good thing for you as an AgencyZoom user here in just a second. So I'm going to go ahead and hit continue here. Yep, it's going to allow everything that I want it to allow. After it does its configuring, Google is checking to make sure that you added it as a trusted source, and then it's going through its backend to make sure everything's trusted as well. So now I'm going to pop on over here, and you've got some calendar settings you can do. I'm just going to go ahead and hit save on, or just grab some stuff from right here. Nothing I need to do just yet. Let's go ahead and dive you into that. So this is for an appointment where it's going to sync that into your calendar, right? Like where it's going to go into your AgencyZoom. So it's going to create a lead. So if I wanted to, I could give it a lead source of just calendar, and I can pop into my test pipeline here and then set it up to save. So now you can see that I am connected. You can go through here and check all your stuff out. The reason that Nihilus is a good thing for you inside of AgencyZoom is that instead of having to send emails on behalf of your domain, so your at myinsuranceragency.com portion of your email address, it is actually sending those emails from your inbox, which means that any email that you send out of AgencyZoom, you should also be able to see in your outbox inside of your email. Inside of your email provider, which is awesome because it makes it so much easier to get those emails out and to avoid being flagged as spam. So it's a very, very good thing. You don't really need to know the specifics on it other than it's sending the emails from your actual email account instead of on behalf of it. So there's less settings that you have to do. When you hear things like SPF and DKIM and DMARC, you don't have to worry about that when you set it up this way. So very good thing to do. Hope that is helpful. The AgencyZoom walkthrough is a good little guide to have kind of in conjunction with this video as well. If you're, you need to read it and you're a visual learner, then by all means, those two together will work great. See you guys later.